Hello friend, in this video lecture we are going to discuss the second method, that is Secant method. First write the description of this Secant method. In Secant method, the derivative at xi is approximate by formula f dash of xi is equal to f of xi minus f of xi minus 1 upon xi minus xi minus 1, which can be written as f dash of I is equal to f of I minus f of I minus 1 upon xi minus xi minus 1. And here f of I is equal to f of xi. Hence, the Newton-Raphson method formula becomes xi plus 1 is equal to xi minus f of I into xi minus xi minus 1 upon f of I minus f of I minus 1 is equal to xi minus 1 into f of I minus xi into f of I minus 1 upon f of I minus f of I minus 1. This formula requires two initial approximation. This formula requires two initial approximation. Example 1. Find a real root of the equation x cubed minus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0 using Secant method. First write the given equation. Let f of x is equal to x cubed minus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Let two initial approximation be given by x0 is equal to 2 and x1 is equal to 3. Then we have f of x0 is equal to 2 cube minus 2 into 2 minus 5 is equal to minus 1, and f of x1 that is equal to 3 to the power 3 minus 2 into 3 minus 5 is equal to 16. And then find x2 is equal to, then by using formula, then find the x2 is equal to x0 f1 minus x1 f0 upon f1 minus f0. Put this value 2 into 16 minus 3 into minus 1 upon 16 minus of minus 1, and that is equal to 2.058824. And then find f of x2. Then f of x2 is equal to f of 2.058824. Putting this value in equation, 2.058824 raised to the power 3 minus 2 into 2.058824 minus 5 is equal to minus of 0.390799. And then find x3. x3 is equal to x1 into f2 minus x2 into f1 upon f2 minus f1. Putting this value, 3 into minus of 0.390799 minus 2.058824 into 16 upon minus of 0.390799 minus 16. That is x3 is equal to 2.08126. Then find f3, that is f of x3 is equal to f of 2.08124, and put in this value in equation, 2.08124 raised to the power 3 minus 2 into 2.08124 minus 5, that is equal to minus of 0.1470720. Then find the x4. x4 is equal to x2 into f3 minus x3 into f2 upon f3 minus f2, and that is equal to 2.0588824 into minus of 0.14720 minus of 2.08124 into minus of 0.390 upon minus of 0.14720 minus of minus 0.390799, and that is equal to 2.09482. Hence 2.09482 is the correct root to 3 significant figure or 3 decimal point. Then we see the next second problem in this method is using Secant method, problem number second. Find real root of x e to the power x minus 1 is equal to 0. First write the given problem solution. Let f of x is equal to x e to the power x minus 1 is equal to 0. Let two initial approximation are x0 is equal to 0 and x1 is equal to 1. Then find f of x0, that is f of 0, x is equal to 0, then value is minus 1. And then f of x1, that is f of 1, and putting this value 1 e to the power 1 minus 1, that is equal to 1.71828. Hence root lies between 0 and 1. Then x2 is equal to x0 f1 minus x1 f0 upon f1 minus f0, that is equal to 0 minus 1 into minus 1 upon minus 1 minus of minus 1.71828, and value of this is equal to 1 upon 2.71828, and that is equal to 0.36788. That is the value of x2. x2 is equal to 0.36788. Then find f of x2, that is f of 0.36788. Putting this value 0.36788 into e to the power 0.36788 minus 1. After calculation, this value is equal to minus of 0.46854. Then find x3. x3 is equal to x1 f2 minus x2 f1 upon f2 minus f1, and that is equal to 1 into minus of 0.46854 minus 0.36788 into 1.778 upon minus of 0.46854 minus 1.71828, and that is equal to 0.50332. This is the value of x3. Then find f of x3. f of x3 is equal to 0.50332 e to the power 0.50332 minus 1, that is equal to minus of 0.16740. Then find x4, and then x4 is equal to x2 f3 minus x3 f2 upon f3 minus f2, that is equal to 0.57861. and then find f4. f4 is equal to f of x4, and that is equal to 0.03198, and find x5. x5 is equal to x3 into f4 minus x4 into f3 upon f3 minus f4 minus f3. Putting this value and find the calculation, we get 0.56653, and then find f of 5. f of 5 is equal to minus of 0.00169. Then find x6. x6 is equal to x4 into f5 minus x5 into f4 upon f5 minus f4, that is equal to 0.56714. Then f6 is equal to minus of 0.0001196. Hence, required root of the equation is 0.56714 and corrected to the 4 decimal point. Because after decimal point 2 digit 3 digits are nearly same, and hence this is the correct root of the given equation. Thank you for watching this video.